Hello, and welcome to a new devlog series on a game called Trench Warfare Simulator. So far, I have this map, and you can press this button, it has an animation, and you'll be able to send people out, and they cost 10 money. And then the enemy also sends infantry out. And then if you capture a trench, if a trench is yours, then you can do this, and you can let them go. And then the enemy can also do the same thing and move forward in their trenches. So yeah, you battle and you capture trenches and stuff. That's all so far. Now, since I have the enemy AI pretty much down, the base game is working. Now I need to add a script for when you win and lose. Like if they get to this side, then you lose, and if you get to this side, then you win.
So I just made it so that it checks whether the player or the enemy owns every trench, and if they do, then they win or lose.
Okay, so now if you own all the trenches, or if the enemy owns all the trenches, then you either win or lose. If I manage to take this trench, then you win. See, now it says that they lost. Alright, so I just did some bug fixing, and now I'm going to work on more troop types.
So I made the second unit by basically just copying and pasting the first and changing the art and some of the stats.
Alright, so now you can make, if you get 20 money, you can make a machine gunner unit, and they move a little bit slower, but attack a lot faster, and they look different. And then for 10, you can get an infantry, so on. And the enemy can now also, they have a chance to, instead of spawning their infantry units, they'll save up, and they'll spawn a machine gun unit.
Alright, that's it for this time. I'll see you next week, hopefully. Happy Halloween!